seems to go nowhere. I've lost my life, for I toss and turn, I can't sleep at night. Once I ran to you, now I run from you. This tainted love you give her, I give you all I could give you. Take my tears and that's not nearly all. Take love, take love. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you for hopefully another quick interesting lesson for you on a classic song from Soft Cell called Tainted Love. Standard tuning, but I have a capo on the 3rd fret, as you can see. Puts us into the same key as the original Soft Cell recording. Okay, quite a simple song, this chord. This song has got some very basic chords in it. Okay, it's a E minor, a G, a C. You can play a 4-fingered C or a 3-fingered C. 3-fingered C like that, or you can put the 3rd finger up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret and put the pinky on the 3rd on the 5th. That gives you a C with G in the bass. And then you can play all 6 strings. So whichever you fancy, a simple 3-finger or a 4-fingered C, A minor, and the only other chord is an E major. Okay, so the actual record obviously is played on synthesizers, and there's this heavy pronounced riff that goes all the way through it, most of it anyway, so that bit. Okay, so that, if you want to be interested in that, it's basically bottom E string, 3rd fret bottom E string, 3rd fret 5th string, and then a single on the 3rd on the 6th and a single on the 8th 5th string open. Okay, so it's okay, but obviously as you're playing it on a single guitar, it needs something a bit more than that, so we'll play chords instead. Okay, so I suggest we play E minor, G, C, and then a very quick G to A minor. And I'd concentrate on the bassy side of the strings rather than hitting the top end of the high strings. Keep you strumming to the chunky end of the spectrum, so it gives it more guts, yeah? Okay, so I'll slow that down for you. Okay, if you want to use a 3-fingered C, it's just the same. The other alternative of playing that, which makes it slightly easier, is for the last 2 notes is just to play them as single notes. So you could just go E minor, G, C, hit that bottom E string on the 3rd fret, and then the open 5th string. So it's up to you. Okay, choice is yours. Okay, so it does that about 3 or 4, I think it's about 4 times as an intro. Okay, and then the singing comes in over the top of that. Okay, so we'll just go through that for you, and so just do the first few lines for you very slowly. So just do a couple of intros and then we'll go into the singing. Okay, so slowly. Sometimes I feel about to run away, about to run away from your... At this point you go to the E minor again, but you stay on it a bit longer. Pain you drive, and then go to the G. Heart of me, and then it goes back to the chord riff again. Okay, so every 3rd line it does this extended E minor to G, and then back to the riff, chord riff. Okay, so from the beginning, so a couple of intro bits. Sometimes I feel I got to run away, got to get away from the pain you drive me to. Heart of me, back to the riff, the love we share seems to go nowhere, and I lost my sight. See again after the third one. On the third one it's E minor to G, okay, and then we're going into the chorus bit. Okay, so let's just go through the intro and the whole two verses together, okay, before we hit into the chorus. Okay, so and you'll notice on this particular verse where it goes sometimes I feel I got to, there's a couple of bap bap. You can accentuate those two strikes like it does on the record. Run away, and again, get away. Yeah, you can do that. You don't have to do it, but it's on the record if you listen to it. Just before the run away and the get away, there's a couple of accentuated E minors. Run away, get away. Okay, but anyway, so let's go through it. Okay, so two intros, then the first couple of verses. Okay, so sometimes I feel I got to run away, got to get away from the pain, drive to the heart of me, the love we share seems to Now we're going into the chorus, right? This is where the E major comes in. E major, once I ran to you, G, now I'll run from you, C, this tainted love you give, an A minor, give you all, a boy could stay there, take my tears, and that's not nearly riff, oh, tainted love. Into another verse and another etc. verse. It just repeats everything all over again with different words. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. So let's just go through this chorus again. So after you come out of the second verse, sleep, so because E minor and turn I can't, G, sleep at night, E major, once I ran to you, G, now I'll run from you, C, this tainted love you give, an A minor, give you all a boy could give you, stay there, take my tears, and that's not nearly riff, oh, tainted love, tainted love, oh, I've got to run away, and so on. You get the idea, don't you? Right, just for fun, we'll go through the whole thing at more normalish speeds. Okay, so here we go. 2 lots of intro. I mean, normally you can do 4, but I'll do 2 just to keep the lesson sensible length. Okay, so here we go. Sometimes I feel I got to run away, I got to get away from the pain you drive me to the heart of the love we share. Tainted love you given, I give you all a boy could give you, take my tears and that's not nearly all. Tainted love, tainted love, now I know that to run away and I can't get away, and so on. You get the idea. idea, don't you? Well, thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope you enjoyed that. A nice easy lesson for you. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.